Hey everyone, how to share YouTube channel link. I will show you in this video. Let's go to YouTube app and make sure na nakalagin kayo sa inyong mga YouTube channel. Tap the avatar and go to your channel. And then here in the top right, click the three dots and makikita nyo tong share. Click that one. And you can choose from here if you want to copy the link or you can share it directly to a social media you want. Okay, so if we try to copy the link and let's go to social media like Facebook and paste it here, this will be the preview of the link you copied. Okay, so you can add some captions like nag-upload ako ng mga tutorial videos. If you want to know more about my YouTube channel, you can subscribe, okay? And then you can post it. Okay? So, balik tayo dito sa YouTube. And if you want to share naman yung link ng videos nyo, for example, nag-upload kayo ng bagong video and you want to share it to social media, click the video you want to share. And dito sa baba, makikita nyo tong share button. You can tap on that. And the same process, guys. You can copy or you can share directly to YouTube. Okay? So, that's it how you can share your YouTube channel link or your YouTube video link. Right? So, sharing your link on social media will help us get traffic from social media to YouTube and also help us to boost our video views. Alright, so I hope this video will be helpful to you, and please give a thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Okay, thank you very much, and have a good day.